Okay, so this is a problem जो हम सॉल्व करेंगे. लेट एफ ऑफ एक्स इज अ डिग्री 5 पॉलिनोमियल विच हैज़ क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स एक्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 1 and limit x tends to 0 2 plus f of x upon x cube is equal to 4, then which of the following is incorrect? So f of x has minima at x is equal to 1 and maxima at x is equal to minus 1. That is one thing. Then okay, so these are the four options. I think you can read them. I will just go on with what information we have. So see, limit x tends to 0 2 plus f of x upon x cube is equal to 4. For this limit must exist, right? Because for 2 it's okay. I mean, if we apply the limit, it is this 2 plus limit x tends to 0 of f of x upon x cube is equal to 4, because if I apply the limit, it will get separated along plus and the limit of 2 exists. So okay, that's how we know it. So this limit must exist, and that this is equal to 2. For this limit to exist, okay, it's very simple that f of x must be of the form ax to the power 5 plus bx to the power 4 plus cx cube. We cannot have the terms of x square or x or constant. Why? Because if it gets divided by x cube and limit extends to 0, the limit will not exist. So for limit to exist, we can have only these three terms. And why these three? Because the degree is 5. That means the highest power is this one. Okay. Now, okay, so now what will we do is we will take f dash x. So what is f dash x now? F dash x is 5a x to the power 4 plus 4b x cube plus thrice c x square. Okay, so this is the f dash x. I will go to the next page now. Okay, so we have f dash x is equal to 5a x to the power 4 plus 4b x cube plus 3c x square. Now we know that x is equal to plus and minus 1 are critical points. So by that, what I can do is, okay, f dash of 1 is equal to 0. So f dash of 1, that is 5a plus 4b plus 3c is equal to 0, and f dash of minus 1 is equal to 5a minus 4b plus 3c equal to 0. I hope you know how I am taking this equal to 0, because they are critical points. If you don't know the definition of critical points, please read it, because that's not the point of this particular video. यहाँ पर मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना सिखा रहा हूँ for the people who have learned the concepts. Okay, so now if I add this 2 or subtract this 2, so if we subtract these two equations, okay, so we get 8b is equal to 0, so b is equal to 0. Okay, so as b is equal to 0, then we have 5a plus 3c equal to 0. This is what we have. Now okay, we will need something else to find the value of c. Now we have limit x tends to 0 of f of x upon x cube, that is equal to 2. So limit x tends to 0 of, so it is ax to the power 5 plus cx cube upon x cube, right, that is equal to 2. So that is limit x tends to 0 of ax square plus c equal to 2. So I hope you know that if we apply x is equal to 0, so c is equal to 2. So we got the value of c. If c is equal to 2, what is value of a? So the a is minus 3c by 2, sorry, 3c by 5, minus 3c by 5. So that is equal to minus 6 by 5. That is the value of a. And hence we got, even we have b is equal to 0. So we got actual f of x now. So what is f of x? F of x is equal to minus okay, minus a, so minus 6 by 5 x to the power 5 minus sorry, plus twice x to the power 3, because b is equal to already 0, so x to the power 4 term is absent. So if I take minus 6 by 5 common, what are we left with? So we have, it is x to the power 5 okay, so a is equal to minus 6 by 5. Do we need this particularly? Okay, so but okay, I think we want to find, we want to check, okay, minima and maxima. Okay, so that's where I got lost. Okay, so f dash x is equal to, now in this case then, minus 6x to the power 4 plus 6x cube, and that's how we get minus 6x square common, and we have x square minus 1. So we have x is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1, and it's the critical point. Now you can already check where the minima is and maxima is. How can we check that? Because what will be f double dash x in this case? So that from here we have minus 24x cube plus 18x square. So at x is equal to minus 1, okay, this is going to be a positive value, and at x is equal to plus 1, this is going to be a negative value. So if we, at minus 1 it is going to be a positive value, that means there will be a minima at that point, and at x is equal to 1 there will be maxima. Now if you have the common sense, you will understand that already the answer was going to be between either from A or C, but still let's check the other options also. Now we want to find the value of f of 1 and f of minus 1, and check whether the option B is correct. Okay, now option C, D is already there, because let's see how. Okay, so if you see f of x, it is having only x to the power 5 and x cube term, so the function is odd, right? So as the function is odd, the option D is also correct, option C is also correct, right? So option D is correct, option C is correct. Option B, we have to check. Okay, so let's find the value of f of 1 and f of minus 1. So how will we find it? So we already have f of x. Okay, so we already have f of x as minus 6 by 5 x to the power 5 plus twice x cube. So what is f of 1? F of 1 is minus 6 by 5 plus 2, and what is f of minus 1? It will be plus 6 by 5 minus 2. You can do it quickly. Now we want to find f of 1 minus 4 times f of minus 1. So it is minus 6 by 5 plus 2 minus 4 times 6 by 5 minus 2. That is equal to minus 6 by 5 plus 2 minus 24 by 5 plus 8. So it is minus 30 by 5 plus 10. And, minus 30 by 5 is minus 6 plus 10. So that is equal to 4. So if we go to the question again, so we see f of 1 minus f of minus 1 is equal to 4. So this is also correct. So B, C and D are correct, but the question is which of the following is incorrect, and the answer is option A. Thank you.